Approximate to one significant figure, then simplify 0.035 multiplied by 0.045, then 29 multiplied by 91, then 0.075 divided by 0.017. Solution. A. We have 0.035. Let's approximate that to one significant figure, meaning we have to identify the first non-zero, and the first non-zero is 3. Then we round off. So the next digit after 3 is 5, which implies that we increase this digit by 1. So we'll have 0.0. Now increase this by 1 and we have 4 multiplied by. Now in this case, the first non-zero is 4. And the next digit to it is 5, which implies that we'll round up. So we increase this by 1 as well. And then we have 0.05. Now you can then multiply this anyhow you see fit. Now to simplify this, you can use different methods. You multiply straight, or you write them as fractions and then multiply. Now to write this as a fraction, it means I would have 4 over, since we have 2 places after the decimal point, it is 4 over 100 multiplied by, here we have 5 over 100. Now when we multiply this would give us 4 times 5, we have 20 over 100 times 100, and we have 10,000. Now this implies that we would have 0. Now you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So out of that 4 zeros, we already have 2 digits here. So that is, we'll have 0, 0, then 2, 0. So our answer is simply 0.002. B. We have 29 multiplied by 91. So we have to first approximate to one significant figure. Approximating 29 to one significant figure means the first non-zero is 2. And the next digit is 9, which implies that we round up. That is, we increase 2 by 1, and then we'll have 3. And then all the unwanted digits become 0. So that is 30 multiplied by. Now round this up. If you are rounding this off, you would get 90. Yes, because it is followed by 1, which means we round down. So to multiply 30 and 90, all you need to do is just multiply 3 and 9. Now 3 multiplied by 9 gives us 27. Now the zeros comes behind, so we have 0, 0. That is 2,700. And then C. We have 0.075 divided by 0.017. To do this, let's first approximate to one significant figure. Now the first non-zero is 7 here, and the next digit to it is a 5, which implies that we would round up. So we increase 7 by 1, and that will give us 0.08. Now instead of division sign, I'll use the division line now. And then here the first non-zero is 1, followed by 7, which means I will round up, increasing 1 by 1. So we would have 0.0, 1 plus 1, and we have 2. Now to solve this easily, remember that you can just get the equivalent of this fraction in such a way that whatever you do to numerator, do the same thing to denominator. So in order to eliminate this decimal point, I can multiply by 100 since there are 2 decimal places. So multiply this by 100 and this one also by 100, and we'll get 8 over 2. And 8 divided by 2 will give us 4 as our answer. And that's the solution to this problem. Thank you.